Good morning. This is an art video from Mumbai Montessori Teacher Training Institute, and today I am going to show you the sand art. So for the sand art we need a black marker, some Fevicol, a tissue just in case, and yes, some sand. So today I am going to show you how to do the sand art with the help of a gingerbread man, and we will draw our gingerbread man on a 4A drawing book paper. So let's start by first drawing the gingerbread man. We draw the face. Yes, like this, lovely. We draw the face. And now we draw the hands. And now we come down. Right. Come down, and we draw the gingerbread man's legs, and we draw his eyes. He has some freckles. This is his mouth, and these are the 3 buttons. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so that is our gingerbread man, and now I'm going to use some Fevicol and put it on the gingerbread man's body. So let's start with his eyes. We are going to apply some Fevicol all over the gingerbread man. Like you can see how I'm covering his eyes with the Fevicol. I hope you are all with me. And now we put the Fevicol on the freckles, and now we put the Fevicol on his mouth. Okay, and now we put the Fevicol on the 3 buttons that he has. Yes, just like this. Okay. So now we come back to the face and start applying the Fevicol on the gingerbread man's face. Now we come on his hands. We are applying Fevicol on the gingerbread man's hands. Now we come down on the gingerbread man's legs, and don't worry if there are any gaps, girls, students, if there are any gaps, I will fill the gaps in later on. And now we continue to put the Fevicol here. We are applying Fevicol on the gingerbread man's second leg, like you can all see. Now we are applying Fevicol on the gingerbread man's hands again. And let's fill in the gaps. Like you can see over here, there are some gaps. Let's fill in the gaps, no problem. No problem, it looks lovely. Let's fill in the gaps over here. And there are some gaps over here to fill in as well. Make it a little bit thick. And over here. And yes, some over here. So now we are done using our Fevicol, and I'm going to take some sand and put it on the gingerbread man. I'm going to start by putting the sand on his face, his eyes, his freckles, his mouth, and then now there's some sand I'm applying here on his hands, and I have to apply some more sand on his hands so it's covered completely with sand. And now I'm applying some sand on the gingerbread man's legs. Like you can see, I'm covering the gingerbread man in sand. Okay, and now let's see how a lovely gingerbread man looks. So come and let's dust the sand out. Right, let's dust the sand out. And here we see a lovely, beautiful gingerbread man. And yes, this is our sand art. Thank you.